Ever wondered how the power of alternative medicine can be harnessed to cleanse your kidneys? Today we're exploring this. Our kidneys, integral to our health, filter our blood and remove toxins. However, because of various factors like diet and lifestyle, they can become strained. That's where alternative medicine comes in. This is where alternative medicine steps in, offering natural ways to cleanse and rejuvenate our kidneys. The first step in this journey is hydration. Hydration is crucial as it directly impacts kidney health through regular removal of toxins and waste from your body. The process isn't as simple as drinking a mere glass or two of water. To achieve hydration, a higher intake is necessary, specifically 6 to 8 glasses of water each day. This level of fluid intake can effectively safeguard your kidneys and promote overall health. And we're not just talking about a glass or two. It's recommended to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water a day. Proceeding to the subsequent phase, we delve into the world of herbs. Stinging nettle, dandelion root, and milk thistle, renowned herbs, have long been recognized in different civilizations as powerful agents for kidney purification. To consume these, simply prepare them as tea. Steep these potent herbs for a brief period of around 15 minutes. Then, savor the benefits by consuming 2 to 3 cups of this herbal infusion each day. Our third step involves embracing a kidney-friendly diet. Opt for antioxidant-rich foods such as berries, bell peppers, and dark leafy greens. They play a significant role in kidney detoxification. Moreover, potassium-rich foods like avocados and bananas are also recommended. They support the body's healthy fluid balance, so include these foods in your daily meals. The fourth step in maintaining your kidney health involves careful considerations about what you consume. It's crucial to minimize the intake of certain substances that can significantly put a strain on your invaluable kidneys. This, in turn, helps to lower the risk of developing kidney-related issues later in life. Among the substances to limit includes alcohol, a well-known toxin that directly affects your kidneys and overall health. Additionally, caffeine, another substance that can cause harm when consumed overly, should be moderated. Lastly, processed foods, usually high in sodium and unhealthy fats, can harm your kidneys. Taking these steps ensures better kidney health. This includes limiting consumption of alcohol, caffeine, and processed foods. Finally, regular exercise is pivotal for reducing blood pressure and promoting kidney health. A consistent fitness regimen, be it light or intense, has profound effects on your overall health. By introducing simple activities, such as walking, cycling, or yoga, into your regular schedule, you are effortlessly contributing to your kidneys' health. No matter your age or physical condition, any step towards being more active is a step in the right direction. Thus, incorporating these activities into your daily routine can significantly benefit your kidneys. Let's summarize our discussion. We emphasized hydration, the potency of herbs, and a kidney-safe diet. We considered reducing harmful substances and regular exercise. Alternative medicine offers a holistic approach to kidney health. It involves a lifestyle blend that cleanses and rejuvenates your kidneys. By incorporating these steps, you can enhance your kidney health and overall well-being. Until next time, here's to your health.